On the occasion of National Science Day, we join here to celebrate one of the greatest Indian scientists in history, G N Ramachandran. Hello, on the occasion of National Science Day, we join here to celebrate one of the greatest Indian scientists in history, G N Ramachandran. We all know that Science Day commemorates the discovery of the Raman effect. Today, we choose to celebrate Raman's impact by looking at the career of one of his most brilliant students. I would like to welcome you all to the online premiere of the film The Trials and Triumphs of G N Ramachandran, organized by the Science Media Center or SMC of IISER Pune. Since 2012, the SMC IISER Pune has been involved in the rising field of science communication. We create contents used in academic programs such as massive online open courses or MOOCs, communicate the research happening in the institute, and also provide workshops and internship to train the future generation of science communicators with various partners including National Council for Science and Technology Communication and Vigyan Prasar. Yet another aspect of science communication that we have also ventured into is the production of science themed interviews and documentaries. This is one such documentary. This documentary is directed by Rahul Iyer, an IISER Pune BSMS alumnus, who has attended multiple workshops at SMC and is currently interning with us. He was supported by Professor Harinath Chakrapani, the executive producer of the film, Dr. Madhusudhan, primary consultant, and Vivek, Kannadi, the producer of the film. This film has won the Best of Festival award at the International Film Festival of India 2020. With this introduction, let us begin the screening. We hope you enjoy the movie.